Docker containers are tiny virtual machines, right? They carry their own little OS, so a Linux image should run the same on my Mac without any special tricks, yes?
Think apartment building, Stewie. The building is the Linux kernel. Each container is an apartment. Different doors and addresses, but everyone shares the same plumbing and electricity.
So they don't bring their own plumbing? What gives each apartment its own view?
Docker, through containered and run, sets up new rooms with namespaces. Separate process list, network, mounts, hostname, user IDs, and message channels, so each apartment feels private.
Fine, but how do you stop one apartment from hogging all the power and water?
Groups. Think meters and breakers for CPU, memory, disk I/O, and how many processes you can run. No unit can black out the building.
And the files inside the apartment? The image layers?
Overlays is layered wallpaper. You see a merged room, and when you change something, it sticks a new layer on without touching the drywall underneath.
Networking then. How do these apartments get online?
Docker plugs in virtual cables called Beth pairs to a Linux bridge, then does NAT with iptable certain tables so traffic gets in and out.
Security of the lobby too, I assume.
Exactly. Linux capabilities and second filters mean no power saws, only butter knives. Often AppArmor or SA Linux adds extra rules for what's allowed.
But it runs on my Mac without me starting a VM, so it's native, surely.
Docker Desktop quietly cranes in a prefab mini building, a Linux VM. On Mac it's HyperKit, on Windows it's Hyper-V or WSL2. Your containers run on that Linux kernel.
So Docker isn't a mini VM after all?
Right. Docker is a workflow that wires up Linux namespaces, groups, overlays, capabilities, and networking to run isolated processes. Portability works when the kernel and CPU match. On non-Linux, Docker adds a hidden Linux VM so those features exist. It's not the same isolation as a full VM.